Okay, so the patient consumed the following at lunch: 16 ounces of tea, 4 ounces of water, 8 ounces of polyethylene glycol. Yeah. So calculate the total fluid intake in milliliters for lunch. I stated what I knew, so I added 16 plus 4 plus 8, and you got 28 ounces. Then I set 30 milliliters over 1 ounce so I could cancel out my ounces. So then I had 28 times 30, and my answer is 840 milliliters. Pretty good. Number 2, a coal miner has been buried in a mining accident. In the underground safety shelter, he finds a 4-ounce bottle of antiseptic solution. The instructions say to pour 4 teaspoons of solution onto an open wound to help reduce the risk of infection. How many doses are available in this bottle? I started with stating my 4 ounces, the known. So then I set it up and I put ounces on the bottom. I know that 1 ounce equals 6 teaspoons. Then my ounces canceled out and I multiplied 4 times 6, got 24. Then I knew I had to do 4 teaspoons per dose, or the dose amount was 4 teaspoons. So I divided 24 by 4 and I got 6 doses. Number 3, the patient is on oral fluid restriction of 1,200 milliliters for a 24-hour period. For breakfast and lunch, he has consumed 60% of the total fluid allowance. How many milliliters has the patient had? Okay, for this one, I had my basis, which is 1,200 milliliters, and I had to multiply it times 60%, which would convert to 0.6, and I got 720 milliliters that the patient had already consumed. Number 4, a child weighs 66 pounds. What is his weight in kilograms? So I stated my 66 pounds. Then I had to cancel out pounds, so I used 2.2 pounds is equal to 1 kilogram. So then my pounds canceled out. Then I have to cancel out, no, then I'm trying to get to kilograms. So I multiplied across, I got 66 on the top and then 2.2 on the bottom. Then I had to divide 66 by 2.2 and I got 30 kilograms. And for number 5, a physician tells a young mother to give her toddler 1 tablespoon of amoxicillin every 12 hours for an ear infection. The nurse gives the mother an oral syringe and teaches her to draw up how many milliliters. I started with 1 tablespoon to cancel that out. 1 tablespoon, because that's what we're given. Then I had to cancel out tablespoons on the bottom. So 1 tablespoon is equal to 3 teaspoons. So now I have to cancel out teaspoons and I cross it. So 1 teaspoon is equal to 5 milliliters. Then I multiplied across the ones on the bottom aren't anything. And then 1 times 3 times 5 is 15. So the answer is 15 milliliters.